Hello everyone, my name is Karen Drake and this is our discussion 5 colleague to colleague video. Um, in my assignment 4, I decided to do a cooperational group activity. The reason being is in our school we use character traits and we teach different character traits through to our students um, from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. One of our character traits that we teach is cooperation. And in the three articles that I found, um, I read a lot about how cooperation transforms into the real world. The first one was peer students, teaching students to increase academic performance. It was published in 2020. It states that peer teaching has a powerful role in learning process. This is why I chose a group activity. Students working together helps to teach each other. The goal is cooperation between the groups and the students. Students tend to follow the lead of other students. And in this article it states that when students get involved in their learning process to construct their own knowledge and understanding, by having one or more students show cooperation, many other students will follow. Sometimes students don't always get what they need at home. They don't learn how to cooperate with each other, and so this kind of teaches how to. This group activity kind of shows how students can work together without fear of being ridiculed or put down or yelled at. That's the goal of my unit anyway. And the second article that I found is practice rooms and practice fields, connections in character, and it's a character developments. It was published in 2021. It states that the desire to teach beyond skills might also be described as a desire to build character in our students. When teachers show students how to build character, that goes beyond the classroom. Character is formed by habit behavior, and with practice will transfer to their daily lives and helping in real world activities. Our students are not able a lot of times to interact with one another. So this here states that by them having by being a habit taking in their learning and their needs to go on, that just builds their character and keeps them going. My last article I found is between vulnerability and resilience. It says, according to a contemporary line of thought reflected in character education, the character development of students should be guided in ways which will enable them to cope with many of the challenges that they may encounter beyond the classroom. We all know that as students leave our classroom, they have more challenges. They have challenges at home, in their daily lives. Some of our students have challenges getting to school and from school. So this article is teaching us or telling us about grittiness and the need to keep going. And it has taken part of the developmental students so that they can overcome adversity and achieve success. When we have these character traits like cooperation, they can continue to keep going and be successful in their daily lives. And grittiness is an individual quality defined as working strenuously towards goals, maintaining effort and interest over years despite failure, adversity, plateaus, and progress. We all know that grittiness is something that we've all started to try to instill in our students, kind of like the mind growth sets. So we are with my unit just starting small in a group activity that's also designed for them to play and interact and be kids. Because sometimes, even though we get stuck in our daily lives, we need to keep going. So those are my 3 articles. Thank you for taking your time to listen. Have a great day.